Hey everybody, Pocket Doc at Dark Angel Medical, and I've got a deal for you right now for a limited time. If you order a Dark Kit or a Dark Slim Kit or merchandise totaling more than $200 and you use the coupon code ONEREDCENT upon checkout, we will send you a free Dark Slim pouch. That's a great deal. All you got to do is type in the color you want in the order notes section when you're checking out, and we'll throw that in the box to you. So if you want a spare pouch or something to put a new insert in later on, there's your deal right there. $1, and it's just for a pouch only. Now, also, if you use one of our kits, our Kit for Life guarantee, I think we're the only company out here that does that, and we do it very proudly, because if you use one of our kits to save a life, let us know, and what we will do is if you send the unused components back to us, we'll reinspect them, we'll repack them, reseal them, and we'll put all the components that you use to save that life back in the kit, ship it back to you absolutely free. That's our Kit for Life guarantee. So get a kit, get trained, be the difference. Y'all stay safe.